In this video, you will learn how to use DisplayCast on all of your devices, including your InCommand display, iPads, and other tablets, laptops, smartphones, and more. Using DisplayCast gives you the ability to view information, such as location data and live stats, from all the devices connected to your Agfinity account in real time. The Agfinity mobile app allows you to view live maps as they are recorded by the displays in the field, assisting you with fleet management activities, such as knowing when a planter or applicator needs to be refilled, when the grain cart or semi will be returning to the field, and can even monitor machine performance remotely. To use DisplayCast, each of your InCommand displays will need a DisplayCast unlock, and you will need an Agfinity Essentials license. In this video, we have two InCommand displays harvesting, an employee with the Agfinity app installed on their smartphone, and the farm manager monitoring progress from the office on his computer and iPad. On the InCommand display, you will see three circles next to the vehicle's icon. For each device, it will show the operation type, ground speed, and one attribute. When harvesting, the attribute displayed is yield. Tap the Zoom Devices button to see all connected devices that are within a 60-mile radius of the machine. The map automatically sizes to the screen, which means the legend or live statistics being displayed may block some of the devices. Simply tap anywhere on the map and then all devices will be visible. Here, the other combine in the same field is visible, as well as the employee with the Agfinity app in the grain truck on the way back from the elevator. Tap the drop-down to view all active devices connected to your Agfinity account. Devices are identified by the display nickname or their iPad or smartphone device name. When viewing a display, the product currently being applied or harvested will also be shown. The next two items displayed are operation specific. In this harvest example, you will see yield and moisture. iPads and other Agfinity devices will display no product and will not show any attributes. When looking at Map View in Agfinity, the same three stat circles are shown next to the vehicle's icon. Click the Additional Zoom Tools drop-down, then click the Zoom Devices button. This will zoom out to show the two combines and grain truck. If we view the iPad with Agfinity Mobile, the same three stat circles are shown next to the vehicle's location. The map will be updated as the machine progresses through the field. The DisplayCast icon will be present on the stat card when viewing a live map. Live maps are only visible for 24 hours after the completion of the event while the Agfinity mobile app is open with an active internet connection. At the bottom of the screen, we can select from the available devices that are logged in and view their active product, the two attributes for their operation, and ground speed. If those aren't showing, tap the device icon to expand out. If we tap Zoom, it will zoom to the selected device. Using DisplayCast gives you the ability to identify the location and performance of your machines that are all running simultaneously. Knowing these details increases the efficiency of your operation while making your data available when and where you need it. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.